Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, November 19th. It is hard to admit our wrongs, to make a full confession of our crimes. It is also hard to witness the harm we have caused and to apologize. Witnessing and apologizing calls for a humility that doesn't come easily. Even when we know we have been thoughtless or selfish or cruel, it is not easy to admit it. It is not easy to face the hurt we have caused and say the words, I am sorry, really meaning it. Those three little words can die in our mouths 100 times before we can say them. It is worth practicing the words I am sorry when we commit small slights, because in time we will all need them for the larger hurts. When we witness the anguish we have caused another, we help that person heal, and we help the relationship heal. Victims need to tell their stories. Victims need to express how much they have been hurt. And as perpetrators, we need to be fearless enough to stand in front of those we have hurt and open our hearts to make space for their pain. Because we had a part in creating it, and we have a part in healing it. Victims need to feel they're being heard and affirmed. And the best way to do this is to not argue the facts of their stories, of the way they are hurting. If your spouse says you lied last Wednesday, and the fact is you lied to them last Thursday, it will not help rebuild the trust by arguing the date of those offenses. When people are hurting, they cannot be cross-examined out of their pain. We all want our pain to be acknowledged and understood. We all want to feel safe to express our hurt feelings in all their various forms and textures. If you argue with the person you have harmed, that person will not feel safe, nor will they feel understood. When someone is hurt, that person wants their pain to be validated. And without that understanding, the forgiveness process will stall, and you will both remain trapped in an endless loop of telling the story and naming the hurt over and over again. Of course, there are no prescribed words to witnessing the anguish, but empathy is the gateway to forgiveness for you and for the one you have harmed. No matter how much you rehearse before you ask for forgiveness, it is the actual moment you do it. In that moment, you need to be open and have a genuine desire to heal the harm you have caused. If your victim has questions, answer them honestly and thoroughly. Speak them from your heart. If that person asks how you could have done what you did, tell the truth. And be careful not to excuse or justify your actions. So today, let's do Ho'oponopono practice together so that we can once again practice saying those words. I am sorry. Please forgive me. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Just feel yourself breathe, how your natural breath moves through your body, how your body responds to your breath. And see if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Remember that Ho'oponopono consists of 5 phrases. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. And you may ask, why would I start out with, I am sorry, please forgive me? Well, because this is it. You're apologizing and then you're asking for forgiveness. Ho'oponopono teaches us that this practice is cleaning yourself of your own negative feelings to erase from your memory or consciousness whatever negativity is not working for you, thus creating a safe space to ask for forgiveness from another person you have hurt. You are expressing the fact that you no longer wish to suffer from a current or past problem, and you open the space to let the other person know that you don't want them to suffer. So right now, let's just do a few verses of Ho'oponopono practice together. As simple as that. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. Notice what comes up for you as you say those words. If there is any specific person, specific situation you want to address those words to, go for it. And just notice how it all feels in your body. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. Now place your hands on your heart, and as always, thank yourself for being here, for doing this powerful, deep work. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as always, as you let go of your practice, Scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to commit to practicing saying those words, I am sorry, and really mean them. When you commit small slights, because as we all know, in time we will all need them for the larger hurts we cause. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.